Hello, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. Today we're visiting one of our customers' homes and we're going to demonstrate and take you through the steps of installing one of Baird's custom-made mantles that you can order online and follow these steps and install it in your own home. What we're going to do is just do a quick measurement here today so you will know what you need when you visit BairdBrothers.com to order that mantle online. One of the first things you're going to want to do once you receive your mantle is unpack the mantle and remove the cellophane wrapping. Upon unwrapping the mantle, you're going to find the mounting strip that we would supply with the mantle shipped to your house. Remove that and finish unpacking the mantle. Once you have your mantle unpacked, we're going to determine the actual final height of the mantle and your side-to-side location. Now we're going to run a level line across the top of the mounting board location so we know that mantelpiece, once installed, is going to lay nice and straight and level. In this installation, we're working with a conventional stud wall above a masonry front. So at this point, you're going to want to identify the location of your studs behind the drywall. Now you'll be able to lay out the rest of the wall and transfer those dimensions to your 2x4 mounting plate. Once you've determined your stud location and you've transferred those dimensions to your mounting 2x4, you're going to attach the 2x4 mounting plate to the wall. Now that the 2x4 nailer is in place and ready to receive the mantle, you're going to prepare the mantle by drilling some pilot holes to accept screws that will in turn attach the mantle to the 2x4 nailer. As you can see, we've completed our mantle project. This project today took approximately 30 minutes start to finish. Visit us at BairdBrothers.com, go to our mantle section, and start the process. We'll gladly send you a mantle to your home, ordered easily, delivered conveniently, and ready for installation.